main purpose of EDL is to take a spacecraft that is traveling at 12,500 miles an hour relative to the surface and bring it to a screeching halt in a soft way in a very short amount of time. So all that energy we put into a spacecraft to heave it off of Earth and take it somewhere else, we then have to take all that back out very quickly in order to gently set this thing down on the surface of another planet.
The discovery of ice surrounding the permanent polar caps was made February 2002. Odyssey spacecraft had the ability, using gamma rays and neutrons, to actually see through the surface down to about a meter depth, and they found an abundance of ice surrounding the known polar cap in places where ice had never been seen in the summer months. And so this was a huge discovery, and to me it represented an opportunity. One, to understand the ice that is under the surface of Mars, and two, to try and understand if perhaps this is a habitable zone. This is part of the goal, and we make those steps, finding water and finding a habitable zone, in the search for life on Mars. And we may not find life on Mars, but we certainly will try and do those first two.
Phoenix is looking for habitats on Mars, places where life could exist or could have existed in the past. We know that life needs three things to exist. It needs an energy source, like sunlight, it needs water, and it needs organic molecules. That's molecules that contain carbon, oxygen, hydrogen.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Main engine start. 2, 1, 0. And liftoff of the Delta II rocket with Phoenix, a distant science outpost seeking clues of the evolution at the polar region of Mars.